सो वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो सॉरी, इतने दिनों से नहीं बना पा रहा था, कुछ कारण की वजह से। सो अगेन वी स्टार्ट। सो द प्रॉब्लम इज टुडे हाई इफेक्ट वर्सेस लो इफेक्ट। ठीक है, दिस इज द सिंपल प्रॉब्लम. नाउ व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम सेज? द प्रॉब्लम सेज दैट गिवन टू इंटीजर h and l, high and low, where h, high and low, denotes the number of tasks that can be completed on the ith day by performing a high effect task and lowest task respectively. For each day, you may choose exactly one of the following: perform no task, perform a low effort task, perform a high effort task, which can only be performed on the first day, or if no task was performed on the previous day, return the maximum total number of tasks that can be completely over all days. Got it? Okay, I explain you what is the. I know you will not understand what the problem says. Okay, so understand the problem. This problem is basically we have the high and we have the low, right? We just have to find the lowest and highest sum, right? Here we just choose the lowest and highest. I can just explain the things how it will working. So if you perform high effect task on day I, right, then on day I minus 1 you must have performed no task. मीन्स अगर हम लोग कभी हाई टास्क को परफॉर्म करते हैं तो हम लोग को मेक श्योर करना है कि उसके पहले का टास्क नहीं होना चाहिए, दैट मीन्स ज़ीरो, राइट? क्यों? क्योंकि वही मेरा फर्स्ट डे हो जाएगा ना. फर्स्ट डे इज माई हाई टास्क विच मीन्स वी एज्यूम द फर्स्ट डे इज आवर हाई टास्क, सो द प्रीवियस इज डेफिनेटली टू द ज़ीरो. गॉट इट? So whenever we choose highest of I, we cannot take anything from the previous day. That's fine. Why? Because I choose the I, that means assume that the first day of our, that is the highest day, so the previous is definitely that is zero, right? So the example I will take from here, this is example, right? Now understand the thing what happening there and what is this. So the for every day we have two useful choice: do a low effort task. There is no restrictions, which means if here we can choose the low effort task, so that there is no restrictions, right? And when we have to the high effort task, the previous day must be empty, therefore we can only add the best answer, right? That is, so uh, that means if till you understand the thing and the pattern, so we can use here to the what, I think you understand. Here we can use the dp, dynamic programming. Got it? So that means the low effort task it is, that is no restrictions, so dp of I is equal to dp of I minus 1 plus L of I. Got it? Now high effort task, that is dp of I is equal to dp of I minus 2 plus h of I. Got it? So this is, now I just come and, so what is the final? If we have to take the considerations like what is the answer, so we can choose the dp of, or the final answer is dp of I is equal to, we just have to find the maximum of dp of I minus 2, that is the maximum part. Sorry, I can just take the first thing is a 1, right? And here is L of I. Got it? And then dp of I minus 2 plus h of I. Got it? This is, so here the dpi means maximum number of tasks we can complete from day 0 to day I. That's the point here. Got it? So what is, if I do calculations of 0, then max of h of 0 and L of 0, simple one. Got it? Now So the day 0, we have to, that means from this how can we assume and how do we calculate? So dp 0 is equal to our max of what is 2. From this is 2 and there is 1, right? So what is the maximum one? The maximum one is 2, right? Now just go on the second one. dp 0 plus L1, right? Now what is 2 plus 2, right? 2 plus 2, this is a dp0 and plus this is a 2, got it? So here is equal to 4. Now the high effect, h of 1 is equal to what is 8. How it is 8? Now you just have to that means high effect, is that is 8, got it? Now we must keep day 0 empty, right? We just have to make that means must keep, that means we 0, that means the first one is we have to always to take the 0. So the max is equal to 4, that is head is 4 and 8. What is the maximum? 8. So the answer is 8, right here. That means, and then now just go on the day 2, got it? And d2 the same thing, we just have to calculate from here and then we just go the all the things, right, the same type. And at the end we just have to see that there is the 9 answer. How? There is 8 and there is 9, so 9, 8 plus 1, that is 9, right? So this is the here the solutions. Now I just write the code. What is the code having there, right? We have this, and now I just have to take the int, int and is equal to h dot size, got it? Now here is vector long dp of n, got it? Now dp of 0 is equal to max of h of 0 and l of 0, got it? Now if n is equal to that is the base case, then simple the thing is return dp0, got it? Yes. Now that is day 1. I start from the day 1. So dp of 1 is equal to max of dp0 plus l1, got it? And then that means max of, we just have to the max of l, this is, now here is, now start the one thing more. Here is what is, this is the long and h1, got it? It is long h1 and sorry, this is high of 1, that is, got it? Yes. And then simple, here is closed. Okay. Now for int I is equal to 2, I greater than is equal to n and I plus plus, got it? Now long low is equal to dp of I minus 1 plus l of I, and then long high is equal to dp of I minus 2 and h of I, got it? And then dp of I is equal to max of low and high, got it? And then return dp n minus 1. Now just try to compile it, try to submit it. Yes, it is submitted. So here that is the correct one. And now you can consider it, there is time complexity is order of n. Why? Because of visit of each day once, right? And the space is order of n. Why? Because of the dp array. So that is the problem. I hope you will understand. So thank you so much guys.